Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Tay, and today we are taking a look at this new plugin that I just recently discovered called Angle. It's available for Adobe XD and it's available for Sketch. What's really cool about this is it allows you to quickly go ahead and mock up your artboards and designs in their respective devices, so you can go ahead and share to your clients, or if you want to go ahead and share it to social media sites like Dribble and Behance, Instagram, or if you want to like put these on your website portfolio. Usually you would have to go to Adobe Photoshop to do this, and it takes a little time and a little difficult. This is going to save time. They have a free version in which you only get 3 mockups. They also have a paid version that gives you 500 mockups for $50. So right now I'm just going to show you how it works using the free sample. So you can just navigate to this website and download the free sample, and you'll be presented with this folder. If you're working in Adobe XD, you want to double click on this Angle file. It's going to be a .xdx file. That's going to actually install the plugin, and then you want to open this Angle Mockups XD free, which is the XD file. Now real quick, if you are just operating in Adobe XD and want to install the plugin without going to the website, you can just go up to the plugins toolbar option and then discover plugins, type in Angle, and it'll come up here and you can install this way. So since I already have it installed, this is what the Angle Mockups free Adobe XD file looks like, just to give you an example. So this is an example of like one of the mockups nicely placed into a screen. And then down here we have 3 mockups, one of an iPhone 10, one of an iPad, which look like the 9.7 inch sides, and one of the iPad Pros. And the artboards here are named after the devices they're designed for, so iPhone, iPad, MacBook. I also implemented a artboard that I've been working on for iOS app, just to show you guys what it'll look like. So the main 2 ways or features for this, and I'll use this iPad because for some reason the iPhone 10 hasn't been working properly. But what you want to do is double click, or you're going to have to do a few clicks, but get into the screen of the actual device. You can test it out so you know you actually have hold of the screen. You can do 2 things. You can hit Control B and it'll make it blank, or you can do Control A to actually insert one of these artboards. And the other option, if you don't want to use shorthand commands, is to go up to Plugins, Angle, and then Apply Mockup or Blank Mockup. As you can see, that's why it's white down below from the Control B option. So we're just going to do Control A, and then you're presented with this menu option to apply the mockup. And here you have nice flexibility of choosing which artboard. In our case, when you want to go with iPad, the one that has 002 on it, you can choose the pixel density. I'm just going to leave it at 3 times. The quality, average, good, better. I'm going to select best. And then the orientation, if you want to rotate left, right, or flip the image. And go ahead and select apply. You'll get this really nice, cool animation. And boom, now you have your screen and this mockup. It looks nice, and you can go ahead and show this off. You can move this around. You could place it on, a colored or styled background of your choice, and you can do the same thing with this iPad here. So I actually want to show you guys this iPhone 10 because it's already nicely placed on a cool background. If I select the screen, once again I can do Control B to make it blank. You don't have to do that. You can actually apply artboards on top of artboards. So in this case, I'm going to use my sign up artboard and hit apply. And what you'll see is, what I'll do is just move this over. This artboard, it's nicely placed inside of the device. It looks natural. It looks like, you know, a real application screen, and I can grab hold of this and move it however I want to. And there's even shadows and everything involved with this, so it's like really cool. I made this white. You can see the shadow underneath. You can add whatever text or additional images you want to this background, and really make, you know, make this your own before you go ahead and share it out. Um, Real quick, if you guys do download this free sample and you don't want to pay for the $50 for the more mock-ups, and you want to use the iPhone 10 option, the only way I've found to be able to get this screen replaced with another screen is to navigate down here to, we have screen twice. So one screen is this purplish screen, and then the other one is this black screen. So what you can do is just select this first screen, and I'll just call it Screen Master just to make it a little easier. So make sure you have this selected using this panel over here, and what you can do is just export your artboard into a PNG or a JPEG. This is the artboard that I was working with also, just as a PNG, and then you just drag it in like you would normally, and it nicely places the image in. And then what you can do is just like copy it or just move it wherever you want it to go, and nicely present it on a cool background, and it looks really good. So this is Angle Mockups for Adobe XD. I'm gonna go ahead and pay the $50 for the 500 mockups, because this is like a really cool and quick, dirty way to get your images out into the world and looking real nice and spiffy. So if you guys have any questions or run into any trouble, drop them down in the comment section below. And if you're using Adobe XD, if you have any cool plugins that you recommend, or any you would like me to take a look at and make a video for, just drop it down in the comments below and we can do that. So it's your boy Tay signing out. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video so we can grow a little community. And thank you all for watching. Peace.